Hi everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be exploring about the blockchain security in 45 days online training program syllabus. So in the last class, I explored about the demonstration about the blockchain security. And nowadays blockchain is very highly demanding and emerging technology, which is going to be having a secured transactions which are going to be happening comparing to the regular transactions, regular banking transactions, regular phone pay transactions, regular online transactions. Comparing to that, blockchain transactions are a very secured way, which is having hash keys and all. And come to the blockchain security 40 days online training from the Mohan's Technologies. What we are going to be delivering to you is so in the module wise and day wise. The week one blockchain security foundations. In the day one, we are trying to exploring about the introduction to the blockchain security threat landscape. The day two, we are going to be giving the cryptography review, hashing signatures, and elptic curves. And day three, we are going to be giving like a consequence mechanism and related attack vectors. 51% syllabus, Sybil, sorry. And come to the day four blockchain architecture risks. So layer one versus layer two. And day five, we are going to be giving the network security P2P vulnerability and Eclipse attacks. And day six, wallet security, custodial and non-custodial risks. Day seven, secure key management, hardware wallets, MPC, HSM. And week two, we are going to be discussing about a smart contract security basics and Ethereum security model and EVM overview. Day nine, common vulnerabilities and redundancy, integer overflow, underflow. Day 10, access control flows, origin, missing, misuse, missing modifiers, and JNL of services, DOS, smart contracts. Day 12, gas related vulnerabilities and block gas limit issues and all. Day 13, we are running with a front running transaction ordering dependence. Day 14, insecure randomness and time manipulation attacks. And week 3, smart contract security advanced. Day 15, we are going to be working with smart contract upgradability risks, policy contracts, and all. Day 16, delegate call and storage collision vulnerabilities. Day 17, flash loan attacks and exploitation vectors. Day 18, cross-function race conditions and mutex patterns. Day 19, read-run-see and God patterns best practices. Day 20, secure design principles for solidity development. Day 21, case studies on famous hacks like DAO and parity Ronin. And week 4, auditing testing basically. And in day 22, security audit lifecycle methodology. 23, automated static analysis tools like Slither, Mythix, Unity. And day 24, formal verification in smart contracts overview. To 25, manual code review checklist for the solidity. Day 26, we are going to be working on threat modeling techniques for blockchain systems. Day 27, we are working on report vulnerabilities, disclosure guidelines. Day 28, audit simulation and mock review report writing and all. Week 5, DeFi NFT security. Like day 29, we are working on DeFi protocol security overview. Day 30, we are giving like DEX vulnerabilities and AMM exploits, price manipulation, sandwich attacks. Day 31, we are working on lending protocols, liquidation risks, compound A. Day 32, stablecoin security issue depending governance attacks. Day 33, yield forming risks, rug pulls. Day 34, we are working with NFT smart contract vulnerabilities, royalty exploits. Day 35, we are working on governance, token attacks, DAO exploitation. And week 6, advanced blockchain threats like day 36, cross-chain bridges like security challenges, recent exploits. Day 37, layer 2 and roll-up security considerations. Day 38, we are working on MEV, maximal extrailable value risks mitigation. Day 39, privacy coins, ZK snark security implementations. Day 40, Sybil spam attacks in blockchain networks. Day 41, regulatory challenges, KYC, ML, and DeFi. 42, forensics incident responses for blockchain hacks. Week 7, capstone career projects like designing secure blockchain applications like blockchain compliance, legal frameworks like MICA, GDPR, FATF. Capstone end-to-end security review of the blockchain project. We will explore on it. And what Mohan's features basically coming to that. Mohan's Technologies is the dedicated online platform which is going to be competing with high-level online platforms like Learn by Working, Workspace Atmosphere Learning, Master Skills in Real-Time Work Concepts, Practice Till You Become Master, Real-Time Coding Challenges, 100% Job Placement Assistance, 100% Interview Preparation with Coding Challenges, Dedicated Placement Support till you land your dream job. So once you come to the Mohansh Technologies, definitely you be in the job in the end of the day. So we are providing the recording sessions and all the things for you end of the day, in the end of the class, all the things. And one more thing, I just want to tell you guys one important question, one important thing for you. So you can contact Mohan's Technologies for this particular course. So this course is 45 days online training program. Okay, and one more thing. So how the job market for this blockchain security? Blockchain security. Let me explore blockchain security job market. So blockchain security job market in LinkedIn. If I search the blockchain security in the LinkedIn, there are multiple openings and multiple opportunities which are actually providing by the LinkedIn. If you open the Naukri, in the same Naukri also blockchain security. Let me go with the blockchain security, not developer. This is security. Okay, blockchain security. I just want to check about the blockchain security, not developer. Okay, blockchain security and Ethereum. Okay, let me search for this. If you search in Naukri, even Naukri also actually showing that n number of security specialist, see blockchain developer, blockchain security specialist. There are a number of openings, thousands of openings which are actually related to that. And coming to the Indeed also, let me search for security, blockchain security. If I search for the Indeed, you will be having a huge number of openings. It is actually showing like okay, seven thousands of openings Indeed is actually showing, and Shine also you can search like blockchain security. Even Shine.com, if you search for blockchain security job related things, you will be finding a number of job openings, thousands of job openings which are actually available here. The same time, you can search in the found it also, found it blockchain security. If I search for blockchain security in found it, yeah. So I'm getting a lot of openings here, a lot of openings here. You can see the lot of openings here. You can apply for this. You can apply for any blockchain security related things. Okay, you can upload your resume easily in the different job portals. Definitely, you will be getting the good job. And there is no coding part here. Security level things, policies you have to understand. Okay, that is the agenda of the concept actually. And I will upload a lot of other videos also in the furtherly in the Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel. So you can check Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel. So this Mohan's Technology YouTube channel is actually having a lot of other videos also. Let me okay, let me open Mohan's Technologies Mohan's IAM trainings. You can see different kind of playlists we are going to be having here. So okay, we will be having MuleSoft videos, we will be having PingFederate, we will be having blockchain security and AML KYC, full stack, quantum computing, blockchain, Web3.js, SOC, generative AI videos. Okay, I'm trying to uploading different other technologies also, and you can just go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and provide your comments, valuable comments, and share with your friends also. Okay, this is the channel related. And if you want to inquire for the course, you can just go for the mohanstechnologies.com. So when you search for the mohanstechnologies.com, and the inquiry form will come to you. You can fill the form and you can inquire for the course. So that is the agenda. Okay, so please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel for the update videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you signing off. Bye bye.